Hi guys, welcome to Nusha Styles. I hope you're doing well. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Claudia and I make videos about lifestyle. Really, we're not living a lifestyle, but we have a life to live as well, okay? And I'm just recording my day-to-day life, my struggles, my wins, and the love of fashion and so on, cooking, decorating, and everything about myself really in my channel. Like I say all the time, this is like a completion of documentation for me to, in few years to come, to look back and see where it came from. And yeah, guys, and I'm taking you along in my journey. I hope you're having a great day. The day is nice and bright, absolutely gorgeous day. Guys, I stopped a little bit in my, town. I mean, this is like the main area. Taking some pictures, trying to shoot some videos for my Instagram. By the way, guys, follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. I did say I'm gonna start uploading videos there, but I had so many setbacks in life that always hinders me from succeeding in my projects. But we keep pushing, and one day we get there. God willing, we get there. You know. So I'm just trying to, pose and strike that pose, girl. Yeah. So guys, like I said, beautiful day. So back to the crib, guys. I did some food shopping. Yeah, so I went to Morrison's. I also called Nisa store and I grabbed a few bits and bobs because like grabbing potatoes and like a bowl of Coca-Cola or something like that is so heavy for me to carry from Morrison's to here. So like I said before, I'm not driving, and yeah, so I'll show you guys some of these food shopping, but I really want to show you more other things like household items that I purchased 2 days ago from a Copenhagen store, and yes, just little bits and bob like for my flat. Yeah, so guys, I've got here some barbecue, but what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna make soup. I feel like I need to start eating lighter. I definitely need to eat lighter, guys. I feel heavy, breathing like, it's just not cutting for me. It's not cutting it. So I bought these. This is like, instead of be like to barbecue it, I'll put in my soup. I'm gonna make a soup. I mix with this chicken sachet here. I got some thyme. Yeah, I got strawberries, guys, because I want to start eating healthy. Like this was £3. I thought it was good value for money. Toothpaste, that's just the generic brand Morrison's toothpaste. I think it was 50p. Then we have some bananas. Yeah, so like for my cereal in the morning, I want to add some fruit in it as well. So banana, I think was £2. I've got some fish cake, like that. I think it's 150, good value for money, nice with salads. I've got oranges, just here. Guys, I've been loving oranges, as you can see, like it matches my makeup as well. Yeah, I've been loving oranges, like so refreshing, like, and it's so good for you. Good for you. I got cabbage. This was 70 pence. Got some, sparkling drink, but it's not for me. I've got a couple of guesses coming. Or some cotton bud. Another bag. Another large bag. I had to get eggs as well. 1,000. Yeah. Let's see here. Then we have some mini shredders, like these sometimes nighttime. I mean, not healthy, but instead of eating like, That'll be nice for breakfast, like just with a cup of tea or coffee. I've got some tissue. Also, we have got some potatoes. Yeah. Yesterday I went to the Congolese shop and I got some codfish. Sometimes I want to eat my Portuguese, you know, delicacy. I got like 3. It's quite a reasonable price. It's not like those chunky pieces, but it's so tasty. Cod, I love cod. Probably gonna do like onion with potatoes, and you have to season it with wine and stuff like that. It's so delicious. If you ever travel to Portugal or Spain, try to eat try the cuisine, because a lot of British people go on holidays, they eat chicken and chips and pies, things that you can find in the UK. So you want to try other people's cuisine, you're gonna love it. It's so tasty, like especially Portuguese cuisine, guys. Chef's kiss. So guys, I'm preparing my soup. As you guys can see here, I peeled the potatoes, then the carrots, and yeah, so just getting rid of the peels and all of that. Make a very substantial soup because you know, I want to be quite sort of a, you know, I want it quite thick. I don't want a very light soup because I have as a meal, you see, I have as a meal. I'm gonna have some meat in it. Sometimes I put, you know, like meat, chicken, chorizo, sausages, and yeah, as you guys can see, it's very refreshing. And you can see this lovely cabbage, so pretty, right? So pretty. Yeah, guys, so yeah, very tasty meal. Sometimes it's needed. Last month it was bad, guys. I was ordering burgers, you know. I don't even eat the burgers like that. I don't like really takeaways, really. Like, I mean, in a year, you probably catch me 3 or 4 times, you know. But I was ordering quite a lot the previous months for my daughter. Like she wanted some burgers for some reason. She was asking for burgers quite a lot. But yeah, apart from that, I don't really, like I said before, I don't order takeaways as much really. Yeah, so let's slide this cabbage and I hope you're enjoying these videos so far. By the way, guys, if you subscribe, don't forget to help this channel to take off. We need more support here. You know, I know YouTube is not sort of pushing the videos out there, But one day I'm gonna wake up very surprised. I know, I know that will happen for me as well. I just have to keep pushing and not giving up on my channel. And yeah, guys, thank you to everybody that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys very, very much. Thank you. I just feel like so cheesy, guys. Then the hard work. She's chopping it everything. I find to be the hardest. After this is pretty much easy peasy. You just mixed everything. This soup, guys. A lot of vegetables. I've got the carrots here. I've got the broccoli, tomatoes, onions chopped in there as well. Yeah, guys. And then we're going to carry on having a cup of tea as well before I have my soup. I'm starving, but I'm going to wait for my soup. I don't want to eat any other type of food. Alright, see you in a bit. So I'm gonna start seasoning with all my condiments and stuff. I've lost some footage, but next time I can properly show you guys how I make this dish from start to finish. It's just soup, vegetables, but there's some tricks there. Yeah, guys. So here are all the ingredients, in terms of seasoning. So we have got the everyday seasoning, we have got parsley, we have got, the Maggi cube, and I put some bay leaves in there as well. Did I mention that I cook with the olive oil? Yeah, so I've got some herbs de Provence as well. So just to add to that taste as well, guys. So my loves, I'm ending this video very soon. I actually have lost some footage, so I don't have the whole, the meal and the plate and all of that. But thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.